In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save draft emails in MailerLite, so you can build your campaigns at your own pace without losing any of your progress. MailerLite is a powerful email marketing platform that makes it simple to craft newsletters and automated sequences, and knowing how to save drafts is essential if you like to review your work before hitting send. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel, and let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your MailerLite account. Open your browser and head over to the MailerLite website. Click the Login button located in the top right corner, and then enter your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll need to complete that step as well. Once you're in, you'll land on your main MailerLite dashboard. This is your central hub where you can see an overview of your subscriber count, recent campaign performance, and quick access to all the major features. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this screen, because you'll be coming back here often. Now, let's navigate to where your emails live. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see a vertical navigation menu. Look for the option that says Campaigns and click on it. This will take you to a page that lists all of your existing email campaigns, whether they're still in progress, fully drafted, or already sent. If you're starting completely from scratch, you'll want to click the big Create Campaign button to begin a new email. But if you previously started an email and saved it as a draft, you can simply click on its name right here to open it back up and continue editing. Either way, you're in the right place to manage your drafts. With your campaign started or opened, it's time to set up the core details. You'll see fields for a campaign name, a subject line, and preview text. The campaign name is for your internal reference only, so give it something descriptive like Weekly Newsletter, March Update, or Holiday Sale Announcement. The subject line is what your subscribers will see in their inbox, so craft it carefully. The preview text is the short snippet that appears right next to or below the subject line in most email clients, and while it's optional, it can significantly boost your open rates if you use it to tease the content inside. You'll also need to select your recipients by choosing a subscriber group or segment from the drop-down menu. This ensures your email goes to the right audience. Once all these fields are filled in, you've laid the foundation for a successful campaign. Before you save anything as a draft, it's wise to double-check every piece of information you've entered. Review the campaign name to make sure it accurately describes the content. Verify the subject line for any typos or missing personalization tags. Confirm that you've selected the correct recipient group, because sending an email to the wrong list can be a costly mistake. If you notice anything off, go ahead and make the adjustments now. A common best practice here is to use a descriptive campaign name that includes the date or a key theme. This makes it incredibly easy to find the exact draft you're looking for later, especially when you have dozens of campaigns in progress. Once everything looks good, you're ready to secure your work. And here's the key step that might surprise you. MailerLite actually saves your campaign automatically as a draft, so there's no separate Save or Save as Draft button to hunt for. Instead, all you need to do is click the Close button in the upper right corner of the campaign editor. This button typically has an X icon or simply says Close. Once you click it, MailerLite will ask for confirmation that you want to leave the editor, and you'll be taken back to the campaigns page. When you land back on that list, your campaign will appear with a status of draft. It's been saved just like that, with all the text, images, links, and settings you added. The automation handles the saving process for you, which is both convenient and reliable. To wrap things up, you've now successfully learned how to save draft emails in MailerLite. By saving your work as a draft, you can step away from a campaign, come back to polish it later, and avoid the pressure of having to finish everything in one sitting. This feature is especially handy for longer newsletters or complex sequences where you need time to gather feedback. As a next step, I recommend opening your newly saved draft and trying out MailerLite's drag-and-drop editor or block-based builder to see how your content looks across desktop and mobile. You can also preview and send a test email to yourself right from the draft stage. If you found this tutorial useful, consider bookmarking this video or revisiting it whenever you need a quick refresher. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!